This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the border of the Gold Coast and Old Town neighborhoods to a location that's a short walk from a CTA Red Line stop, Julasco, Aldi, and a huge variety of dining, nightlife, and shops for a tour of one of the apartments at 1120 North LaSalle. I'm in apartment 4R, a studio in the treetops, standing in an angled bay, looking out through floor-to-ceiling windows toward the CTA Red Line stop, just a half block north, and Julasco is right there too. Turning into living, dining, sleeping area, streck lighting, coat closet off to the left as you would have entered the apartment. Look at wide flank flooring extending throughout. Great bay window, flooding the unit with sun. Heading toward the kitchen. It's L-shaped. Good cabinet and counter space. Appliance package in black includes a built-in microwave and dishwasher. There's duotone cabinetry with matte finish white up above and brushed espresso tone below. And you have another floor-to-ceiling window in the kitchen. Turning into the bath, there's a linen closet off to your left. Double hanging off to your right. Overall good closet space for a studio apartment. Bath has fresh finishes with a wide vanity, triple mirrored medicine cabinet, white tile in the tub shower surround, and black and white tile on the floor. (1120) North LaSalle has a very convenient location, a wide variety of apartments with updated finishes, an amenities suite that includes a rooftop pool. Definitely want 1120 North LaSalle on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.